Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Quick Launch into Xiaomi Pad 5. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down into settings menu and find additional settings. Here in this menu find Gensler shortcuts, and here how you can see we got 5 options of our Quick Launch. And for example you wanna activate launch camera. Now I've got only one option, double press to volume down when the screen is locked, and I'm activate this option, double press to power button. Click here on the switcher to activate this position of switcher like blue, it's activate this option, and let's try. And how you can see, camera is open. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.